Did you accidentally delete a TikTok video and want to recover it, even after it's gone from your account? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to get those deleted videos back. If you're ready, let's jump straight into it. First, open the TikTok app on your Android or iPhone. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner. Choose Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Now again, scroll down and tap on this pen and paper or the suggestion icon. Here, tap on No. Then Need More Help. Now all you have to do is write down your problem. You can say something like, "Hi, I accidentally deleted some videos from my TikTok account and would like help recovering them. Please let me know if there's a way to restore them." Once you've entered your message, tap Submit. After you submit your report, TikTok's support team will review your request. They may reach out to your registered email with further steps or a download link. And that's it. That's how you can try to recover deleted TikTok videos using an app's support system. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to the channel for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.